in this video, we're going to be talking about Recraft. So Recraft is probably one of the most underrated models when it comes to image gen, because I feel like a lot of people don't take as maximum advantage as they could when it comes to Recraft. So here we're going to cover it, and let's get right to it. Recraft is a model that has not only the model itself and depends on the prompt, but it has some advanced features. So here when you click on advanced, you can see the settings that you can define. You can make it general, or you can go like black and white, hard flash, HDR, natural light, studio portrait, enterprise, motion blur, and so much more. You have so many options here of how you can define the aesthetics of this photo. And let's start here with motion blur. I think motion blur can be a pretty cool one. Let's choose black. You can define some colors here. Let's add a bit of orange here as well. And yeah, so these are the colors that are going to influence the image generation. I think that's it. Let's try to write the prompt. Generate an image of a man running on a track field as a racer using a Nike shoes. The aesthetic is very clean, but also impactful, dynamic, and it shows details of the man running at high speed on the track field. So you can give it like a bit of an idea, and you can click here on enhance. So what enhance is going to do, it's going to enhance the prompt a bit more and give you a bit more details. So image of a man sprinting vigorously of a vibrant track field, showing his athleticism, competitive racer clad, sleek, modern Nike shoes. Nike or Nike? Honestly, I don't know. Let's go. So here you have a bit more of details on the prompt: bright sunlight, contrast, dramatic shadows. All right, let's see what it's going to do. And there you go. So as we chose motion blur as a style, it can capture like a lot of this intensity of something happening. Let's try another prompt right now. A Labrador on a track field running together with a human racing using a Nike shoes. The image is impactful, aesthetic, and shot during the night. Enhance the prompt, and what we're going to do now is just change a bit of those colors. So sometimes when you add too many colors, it kind of takes these colors a bit too serious sometimes. So if you have like a brand and you want to get more specific to your color brand and guidelines, that's totally fine. But overall, I think you can remove the colors. So keep the aspect ratio, Recraft selected, and press generate. So let's see what it generated. So the prompt here depicts like a dynamic scene depicting a spirited Labrador sprinting alongside a human athlete racing. And here you go. You have this. Pretty solid. It looks very dynamic. You see the motion blur. Let's use the same prompt, but let's use, like, say for example, a different aesthetic, a different style. Urban drama. Let's see. I don't know what to expect about that myself, but let's see right now. In the meantime, you can actually come here and select another style. Not the greatest. It looks very dramatic actually. Let's continue here. You can choose pop art as a style. Generate. Come here, choose another style. So when that image is generated, we can choose another style. Let's choose here emotional flat. And remember, this is going to be SVG, so there you go. So as we chose that aesthetic, this is what it generated. So it really depends on what you choose here on the advanced settings. So let's experiment how this emotional flat is going to look like. As you can see, same prompt, literally different images because of the style that we chose. So here you have motion blur. Here you have this. So you see it kind of matches somehow the prompt, but it also generates like a totally different image. So one way I can recommend is take advantage of Recraft. It's something that a lot of people are sleeping on. This one that you chose that was a SVG, you can download it and add it into your editing tools like Illustrator or Figma or whatever vector-based tool that you use for editing images. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.